Hey everybody, I am Jeff with Pagely, and today we're going to show you how to create a new app inside the Atomic dashboard. So right now we're inside that main dashboard page. So to access our apps, we're going to go ahead and click on that apps button over on the left side menu. So from here we're going to be able to see a listing of any apps that already exist on your account. Now to add a new app, you're just going to click on this Add App button over to the right, and then an additional box is going to pop up. Inside that first field that says primary domain, you're just going to enter in the primary domain for that WordPress site that you're going to create. Now, if it's a WordPress multi-site install, you're going to want to click that multi-site checkbox. It's off by default since most people typically have a standard single installation WordPress site, but if you need multi-site, go ahead and check that. And finally, we're going to go ahead and click that Save and Create button. To view the details on our new app or view any settings, we're just going to scroll down the page a little bit and click this settings icon. And what that'll do is it'll open up a new window that allows us to see all of the app details. And that's really how you just create an app. Once an app is created, the primary account holder will receive an email that has any of the login credentials for that app. Of course, be sure to create any additional admin users that you need and change any passwords as you need to. But other than that, you're ready to go. Your app is created and you're ready to get started building your site. We want to thank you so much for watching. Keep in mind that if you have any additional questions for us, our support team is always just a click away and they'll be happy to help you with anything you need. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.